Ambroxol is primarily known for its role as a mucolytic agent. It works wonders in breaking down mucus in the respiratory tract, making it easier to cough up and clear out. But did you know that Ambroxol also has anti-inflammatory properties? It can help reduce swelling in the airways, providing relief beyond just clearing mucus. Some studies even suggest it may have analgesic effects, which means it could help with pain relief as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's also used in various formulations, from syrups to lozenges, making it accessible for different preferences.